So next leather is a beautiful bridle leather. The finish that's been used throughout these pieces is based on a bridle leather finish and in a variety of colours. Again, bridle leather is really quite an expensive leather, but these will be available at very, very reasonable prices. At the present moment, they're one-offs. They're not leathers that we expect, say, to be making in 2025, but over the next year we'll have a ready availability of them. We'll then be going into a much more professional environmental approach, but at the present moment in time we thought we'd get this range of leathers together that we can be proud of, that come from animals that have been raised in the UK, that have been made in England, and that really carry English heritage through them. So we have lots of different colours in the bridle leather. Very traditional, some particularly slidey, and they are made in the same way as bridle leather is. They have a bridle wax on top, and they're all available in pieces around this, which is around 5.5 feet by 2.5 feet. Some are larger, but they'll be available at the Wilderness Gathering at prices that people won't believe.